When it comes to protecting your loved ones, few legal steps are more important than having a valid will. A legally valid will ensures your wishes are followed on. Your family isn't left in the dark. Yet, many Texans delay making a will, thinking it's only for the wealthy or elderly. The truth? Every adult needs a will, regardless of age, income, or family size. So what exactly is a will, and why does it matter so much? A will is a legal document that tells the courts how to distribute your assets after your death. It can also name guardians. For your children, appoint an executor. Explain how debts should be handled. Without a will, the state of Texas makes those decisions for you. That means your wishes might not be honored, and your family could be left to sort things out on their own. Let our Grapevine estate attorneys help you create a will that reflects your values and protects your family. What happens if you die without a will? Dying without a will is called dying intestate. In that case, Texas law decides who inherits your property based on a fixed legal formula, and that formula may lead to surprises. For example, your surviving spouse may not inherit everything. Children from a previous marriage could be entitled to a share, and probate could become lengthy, expensive, and emotionally draining. Disagreements over property are common and painful. They will let you take control and avoid unnecessary stress for your family. What are the legal requirements for a valid will in Texas? Texas has specific requirements to make a will legally enforceable. First, it must be in writing, either handwritten or typed. Second, it must be signed by the person creating the will called the testator. And finally, it must be witnessed by two credible adults who aren't named in the will. Even a small mistake can make your will invalid, putting your estate back in the hands of the state. What are the risks of DIY wills? DIY will kits and online forms may seem convenient, but they often miss important Texas-specific details. Common mistakes include failing to understand community property laws, improper witnessing or vague language, and leaving out key instructions, like guardianship or backup beneficiaries. These errors can result in legal battles, added costs, and stress for your loved ones. Working with a knowledgeable estate attorney helps you avoid those costly missteps. So why work with a Grapevine estate attorney? An experienced Grapevine estate attorney does more than draft documents. They help you distribute assets fairly, avoid legal pitfalls, and coordinate your will with other tools like trusts and powers of attorney. They also help reduce the risk of family conflict and contested wills. A valid will isn't just about legal compliance. It's about peace of mind. You're making sure your family is cared for, even when you're no longer there to guide them. Are you ready to create or update your will? Call us today at 817-873-0413 or visit grapevineestateattorney.com.